That is definitely makeup on this unused beauty blender. Got a feeling that might be a bit much. It's tan. What the hell is this? I look terrifying. Hello my friends, how are we all doing? I hope you're good. As you can see by the title, today I've got another 24-hour challenge coming for you. I am going to be using only Primark beauty products for the next 24 hours. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Hannah's going to say everything's good because it's cheap and she wants to look humble. Wrong. If a product is bad, I'm going to say it's bad. There might be a reason these products are cheap. No false opinions here, my friends. A little while ago, I saw the lovely Sophie Louise do this video. She created this idea. I'm not going to be stealing credit for it. In reality, this gal has about 2 creatively original days per month. Today's not one of them, so thanks for the idea, Sophie. But anyway, without further ado, I need to shut up and get on with it because I've got a whole 24 hours worth of footage to show you. Spoiler. I've already filmed this video, and spoiler, there are some weird moments coming up. Okay, the 24 hours starts right here. So it is currently the evening and I'm just about to hop in the shower. The first products that I have got that I'm going to use are these shampoo and conditioners. This is the Manuka Honey and Moroccan Oil Nourishing shampoo and conditioner. I've never tried a shampoo from Primark before. I'm not really a very brand loyal person when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. Said it again, it's getting on my nerves as well. I like a bit of L'Oreal, I like a bit of Tresemme. I'm not too fussy. Don't really smell of that much. I'm definitely getting the honey vibes, maybe with a little bit of underlying PVA glue. Then my friends, I'm gonna be brave. Picked up a fake tan, didn't I? Before I fake tan, I need to exfoliate my body. So I've got the coconut water and mango body scrub. This was £3 and that's a big tub. Is it a bit of a wishy-washy exfoliator or is it like sandpaper? Because sandpaper's what I want. I like to consider myself a bit of a fake tan connoisseur these days. This is only £3. For a bottle of fake tan, that is very cheap. This was the only shower gel I could find in Primark, on any of the shelves, in any of the little fish bowls by the till. I'm gonna go and have a quick shower. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just fake tanning, and the last thing I've got to do is my legs and my hands. Always leave my hands till last, because obviously they're going back into the mitt, so it's gonna like get all gross if you do your hands before that. Whoa, okay, I look questionable. I look very shiny. Just got to do my hands, that is the last bit. Oh my goodness. This is the nicest smelling fake tan I have ever used. It smells like a perfume. This colour does actually look quite dark even though it's just a light to medium. The shampoo, I really liked it. It bubbled up really nicely. The conditioner, I wouldn't say it left my hair feeling soft. I know my hair is still wet, but as soon as I put it on my hair in the shower, it literally slid straight off and I was just looking at the shower floor like, right then. And the exfoliator. It actually is a good exfoliator. I wouldn't say it's the roughest one I've ever used, but it's not a wishy-washy exfoliator. It is decent. Anyway, I'm going to leave this fake tan on for the night. It actually doesn't say it on the bottle anywhere how long you're supposed to leave it on. I'm just going to leave it on overnight like I usually would, and then I can see if it transfers onto my bed sheets and things like that. I have literally just woken up. This tan has done me dirty on my hands. I haven't washed it off yet, I've literally just woken up. But my arms look nice. I think it's actually a really nice colour. Right, I'm back, I've showered. My hands actually, in person now, I think they look really good. I'm very impressed with this. I like it, and to be honest, I'd recommend it. I'm probably going to use, well I know I'm going to use the rest of this because I really like it. Go on Primark. Also, my bed sheets this morning, no sign of fake tan anywhere, my friends. Please excuse my makeupless face. But anyway, the next thing I'm going to test out is this toothpaste. This is the PS Charcoal toothpaste. Helps restore natural whiteness and combats bad breath. My breath's not particularly bad today. Anyway, this was £2. You get a lot in there. Obviously, I'm not really going to know the full effect until I've been using it for a while. But whatever, let's give it a go. Let me know in the comments down below, do you wet your toothbrush first or after the toothpaste? Or do you do both? Because I definitely do both and that's the only way. Ugh. It looks disgusting. Do my teeth look whiter? Next up, my friends, we've got makeup. Very excited for this. Very excited to cover up my face. It's about time. Anyway, the first thing that I'm going to use is the PS My Perfect Colour Perfect Finish Foundation. This is what it looks like. I got it in the shade Nude Beige. However, I colour matched myself before I had tan on, so this is probably going to be too light on me. And I also picked up some Primark beauty blenders. I actually think this is really good. So for £2.50, you get 4 different sizes of beauty blender. although I've just spotted. Can you see that on this yellow one? It looks like there's makeup on it. I've literally just taken that out of the packet. Oh, the sun's coming out. That is not my shade. Is that a joke? Righty then, now that my face is way too light, I'm going to put some concealer on, which will also be way too light. Why is the plastic packaging always so hard to get off? Primark, I haven't got time for this. Got places to be, people to see. Joking, going to be on my own at home all day. So this is the concealer that I picked up. It's the PS My Perfect Colour Liquid Concealer. This feels very similar to my collection Lasting Perfection concealer, and this was only £2. Next up, I'm going to do eyeshadow. So I picked up this little palette of 9. I think this is like a dupe of the Huda Beauty palettes. Tell me that's not meant to look the same. But then when you open them both up, look at the difference in the sizes of each shade. First up, I'm going to run the shade Edge all through my crease. That is very pigmented. I've literally only dipped my brush in once and that's happened. I've just dropped it on my white joggers. I'm going to take the concealer and do a little bit of a half cut crease. Look at me thinking I'm a beauty guru. And then, my friends, I only went and got a glitter palette, didn't I? So this was £4. There are so many shades in there. I'm going to go for these ones at the end. It's alright. For £4, actually. I need to cut it some slack. So the next step is eyebrows. Today we are using the PS Contour and Highlight Brow Pen, and I've got this in the shade Mid Brown. I've decided, actually, just quickly before I do my brows, I'm going to bake my under eyes with a little bit of this PS My Perfect Colour Loose Mineral Powder. I wish you would have seen what's just happened. Trying to peel the little plastic thing off. The whole lid comes with it, and now I'm covered in it. Big design fault, Primark. My under eyes are baking. Let's crack on with brows again. Here goes. Life hacks with Han. Wow, that is not a bad brow. Where's the bronzer? Are you kidding me? Is it on the receipt? Right, don't panic. Oh, hang on. I forgot. I originally went for a powder bronzer, then I switched to the contour stick. My heart was going then. Although I'm kind of having regrets now. Why did I choose this over a powder? I'm just going to go in, be brave, and give it a little... Got a feeling that might be a bit much. Don't forget to give yourself a jawline. I'm going to have to cheat just a little bit and use my own powder bronzer, because stupidly I thought this would do the job for everything, but obviously I can't bronze my entire face just with this. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Benefit Hoola Caramel bronzer. At least my face matches the rest of me now. I'm then going to use a little bit of this PS Gold Digger highlighter. I thought this looked so pretty. Alright then, I genuinely would recommend this. I'm not getting on with many mascaras recently. This is the PS 3D Lash Effect Mascara, and as you can see, £2.50. I'm not very impressed with the mascara, I have to be honest. It's just a bit lifeless. I'm going to put false lashes on anyway, so what does it really matter? These are the lashes that I'm going to use today. These are the PS Flutter lashes. They were only £1. Whoa, look at this. Can you see how long that strip is along the edge? That needs to be cut down, hun. That's not safe. That's going to be poking your eyeballs out. Very natural looking. Has she got fake lashes on or not? The world will never know unless I watch this video, in which case, yes I have. The next step is lips. So I've got this PS lip pencil, which was £1, and this is in the shade Toast. And then I have this lipstick, which is the PS Luster lipstick, and this is in the shade Barely There. Let's see if they match. I'm going to go and crack on with the day now, and I will catch up with you in a little while to let you know how the makeup has lasted. So far, so good. Okay guys, I'm back. It is now 7:30 in the evening, so I've had this makeup on for about 8/9 hours. It doesn't look that bad, but I look a lot shinier in real life than I do in the viewfinder right now. Other than that, I'm very impressed. I think it's held up quite well. But now the time has come to remove the makeup. So for this part, I'm going to use a face wipe to take off the majority of my makeup, and then a bit of the PS Gentle Micellar Cleansing Water. This was only 90p. To take off my eyelashes, I always put a little bit of micellar water on a cotton pad, and then kind of just like brush gently down on the lash. I used to just rip them off my eyelashes until it took my own lashes out, so don't do that, kids. Okay, makeup removed. I feel like that's kind of taken my fake tan off my face as well. However, the next step is the one that I've been possibly the most excited for. What the hell is this? Oh my god, it feels so nice. It's so nice and cold. Oh my god, I'm keeping this for the summer. On a hot day, you're going to find me in the garden with this on. Oh, this feels incredible. How much was this? This was £2. It might not have any benefits to your skin, but it feels lovely. It's quite heavy though. Look at my eye. The other thing I'm going to do while I've got this on is this, a foot mask, sock mask, unicorn hooves, that's the one. I don't think I've ever used a sock mask before. I mean, where does your foot go in? Probably be alright if you've got big feet with these. Huge! What? I'm doubly confused. My Face ID doesn't recognise me. Oh, I've broken it. Hannah, you idiot. Christ, it's like a workout. Ta-da! I mean, I've never looked better, have I? Look at those bad boys. How did you spend your Saturday night then? Because this is mine. So guys, for the final part of this video, it's actually like 11:30 at night right now, so I'm quite tired. Anyway, I'm going to run myself a bath. I'm going to use the same shower gel that I used last night, but I'm also going to put in a little bubble bath. This is the bubble bath I'm going to use. I went for the little rainbow one. It was only £1. Might give me a rash, who knows. And while I'm in the bath, I am going to do a face mask. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice, very nice. And then for when I come out the bath, I have got a little facial moisturizer. So this is the PS Gentle Facial Moisturizer. This was £2. It's quite a big tub. Let's see what it smells like. Let's give it a little whiff. It smells quite chemically. Let's plop it in. I haven't had a bath bomb for ages. Oh my god, it's actually really... Oh. Have I lost it already? Where is it? What the hell? Is it... Don't tell me it's dissolved already. A whole 24 hours later and I'm still sat in this chair. I'm gonna say it. Overall, I was really impressed with Primark's beauty products. I'm gonna sneeze, hang on. The one thing that I really wasn't impressed with was the hair conditioner. The fake tan, oh my goodness, 100% I'm using that again. I've had compliments on my fake tan for once. And pretty much all of the makeup products I was really impressed with. Let me tell you, I'm not that skilled at makeup. If a makeup product is bad, I can't make it look good. But when I watched the footage back, I thought my face of makeup actually looked really good. Overall, I would rate Primark Beauty a solid 8 out of 10. I was very pleasantly surprised. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. But for now, thanks for watching. Have a lovely week and I'll see you again soon with another video. Bye!